Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you're having a good day. So this is part 2, a continuation of the video I just did. It was a short about the Mount Dog lighting system that I've purchased in March, and I really haven't been using it, and it's now December. I've used it a few times, but I am going to do my best to use it more often. Also wanted to show you this Rode microphone. It is mounted onto my Joby what is this thing called? My Joby tripod, and so I have 2 connections. This is for my Android, so this part goes inside the phone. Then you have these 2 ends. One is for the adapter, and then one is if you want to charge the phone while you are recording a video. Then I also have the iPhone, and I'm using my iPhone right now to record, and so this has this end for the adapter and this end for the charging. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. So I also purchased this adapter. Basically just about everything came from Amazon. The Joby tripod came from Best Buy, but the Rode microphone came from Amazon. The adapters, this adapter, that's the name of that's the brand, and this adapter all came from Amazon. So one end goes inside the back of the microphone, and the other end goes inside the adapter, and I'm going to mount it back onto my camera, and it has like a shock mount, and then this end goes inside the phone. So we're going to plug that in, and now you can let me know if the